Hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper. No, it's the edition of Friday, June the 3rd, 2022. And I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the Sudoku with 2 stars. One puzzle is left, the Tectonic with 1 star. It's today, actually, with Monday, June the 6th. We don't receive any newspaper on with Monday or with Sunday. And in the Saturday edition, last Saturday, I've already solved all the puzzles. Yeah, look, all the puzzles I have solved on the Saturday edition. Yeah. So with Monday we have no puzzles. So yeah, sometimes you need to solve old paper the puzzles, because otherwise no puzzles today. Anyway, Tectonic with 1 star, number 4659. Yeah, 4659. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because for a 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see only one single box, always a 1. Oh wait, single box always a 1. Dual boxes, do we have 2 dual boxes in this puzzle? Yeah, only 1 dual box, I believe. It contains the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Well, this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. Triple box, do we have triple box in this puzzle? Scan. No triple boxes in this puzzle. Quadra boxes, I see here 1 quadra box. Well, contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 1 quadra box. That means the next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures, constructions. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 2. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Okay, only 1 T shape. Yeah, only 1 T shape. How about the following shape? This shape. Yeah, let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, wait, yeah, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. All right, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me see. No, only 1. All right, then the following shape. How about the L shape? We have the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Yeah, here. Rotate, no, flipped or mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. And another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. All right. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Yeah, this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So in this case, it's a 4. All right. So this box is the same number as that box. Do we have only one here? Yeah, only one, I believe. Yes. Then the last shape, I believe. We have here one shape left. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. So this box has the same number as that box. All right. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are more, 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them. Yeah, I'm missing the Z or the S construction or shape of figure. The question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. All right, these two boxes can be 1. Those two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These two boxes can be a 1. These two boxes can be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. Well, this box is connected with that box, should be also 1 or a 2, but we already have a 2 here in this area. So it can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 5. Okay. Here also the same numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5 are left in this L shape. Let me mark those 3 and 5. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 5. All right. Then. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. All right. Let me see. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a 1 there, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1, 2, 4, 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 5. But we already have a 5 here, so it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 3, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 5. These 2 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4. All right, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, and can be a 5. It's in the same area. So 1 digit left should be the 4, okay. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 here. That box can't be a 3 anymore, because if I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 5. All right. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then I think this box, no. 1, 2, Now we have a 3 here. I've marked those two boxes with a 3. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Okay. Then 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this area. 4 numbers 2 and 5. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Okay. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Alright. These are 3 boxes surround the 5. Can it be 5? So the 5 could be here, could be there. Missed this one. This is also a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, we have a 2 here, so those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this quadra box. 1 numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 1 and 5. No, 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 4 goes and there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 5. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Then. This box can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 5. Come on, 5, 5, 5. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 3. Let me mark those 4 and 3. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. And now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be 3, and these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 3 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 1 box left in this W area shape for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 5 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left, 4 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. Final 2 numbers, the 3 and the 5 in this L-shape. And we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Told you I need to be faster than 15 minutes for one-stop puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and also for the samurai Sudoku or puzzle, aka quintuplet. Well, I think I do a quintuplet or a samurai Sudoku later on for you on this day. So all kind of playlists, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Rit Monday. Later on, I will I will solve a samurai Sudoku. I hate those Sudokus because it will take me more than an hour to solve. Well, for you, only today, a samurai Sudoku for you. Alright, thank you again for watching. Take care and bye-bye.